I'm Allison with Advanced Pure Air. Today we're going to be unboxing the Newport Ultra, which I have right beside me. So let's get started. Alright, so now that we have it out of the box, first you're going to see that there is a manual for the Newport Ultra. Also has a remote with it. This is full of a ton of useful information regarding maintenance, filter change, all that good stuff. Definitely take a quick look over it before you start using the machine. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the plastic from this machine. Be sure to remove all the tape from around the front of the machine before you open up the unit. I don't have any on mine, I already removed it. Let's go ahead and lay it down and get into the filters. Alright, so now we've got the machine laid down. It's the easiest way to get into the filters when you have it laid down on its back. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. First we're going to remove the faceplate. First you're going to see that there is a pre-filter here. It is actually attached to the dust collector cell, so we're going to go ahead and remove this. You're going to grab it up towards the top and pull it towards you, and it unhooks at the bottom. Next you're going to have the HEPA and activated carbon filter. You do want to double check that it does not have plastic around it. Mine in this case did not have any plastic. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this filter. If yours did have plastic on it, be sure to remove that plastic layer before putting the filter back in. Last but not least, we have the titanium dioxide filter. It's the TiO2 filter. This one is in the very back. Go ahead and remove that one. Now you should be able to see directly into the back of the unit. There are lights on the sides of it, and the fan is in the very back. So mine didn't have any plastic around it, so I'm going to go ahead and put it back together the same order that we took it out, starting with the TiO2 filter. This one is really great for helping with the UVC light that's in the machine. It reflects it and it allows it to attack more bacteria and viruses. Make sure that's in there nice and flush. We're going to go ahead and grab our HEPA and activated carbon filter again. Make sure that the HEPA is what you're looking at, the white side with the little tabs. So go ahead and put this in. Now that that's in there nice and flush, we're going to put back in the dust collector cell with the pre-filter. Hook it in at the bottom, snap it in at the top. Alright, and now all that's left is just to put the faceplate back on it and stand the unit up. So you can see right here that there are these two little feet on the bottom. You want to hook it in at the bottom first, and then it just magnets back together. It should be nice and flush. Alright, now we're going to stand it up. Alright, so now we've got it all put back together, the filter's in, the faceplate on. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in, turn it on, and you'll be able to see that it's going to start memorizing the air quality that it is at right now. There are instructions on how to get it started in your manual. Alright, and again, this is the Newport Ultra Air Purifier. This is effective for rooms up to 1,200 square feet. It has a ton of filters that will help with pollen, pet hair, pet dander, dust, bacteria, viruses with the UV light, all that good stuff. If you have any questions, give us a call, 888-601-5886. Thanks for watching.